First, mental health incident procedure. We will discuss the first incident procedure. This procedure should be used by a mental health first responder for dealing with casualties with mental health challenges. Let's break down the first incident procedure step by step. F stands for find out. This first step is find out or figure out that there might be a problem. It's crucial to observe the individual's behavior. Are they acting differently than usual? Are there signs that suggest something is troubling them? This might be noticeable through changes in their mood, withdrawal from social interactions, or unusual reactions to everyday situations. I stands for investigate. Next, we investigate by having a conversation. This step involves gently approaching the individual to discuss your observations. Ask open-ended questions about how they are feeling. Let them know you've noticed changes in their behavior. If, during this conversation, you sense that they may be in crisis or thinking of ending their own life, it is appropriate to ask direct questions about their safety, such as whether they have thoughts of suicide. Do not be afraid to ask if the casualty has suicidal thoughts. R stands for reassure. The next step is to reassure the casualty. Validate their feelings and emphasize that it's okay to ask for help. Remind them that many people experience difficult times and that recovery is possible. S stands for support and signposting. This involves helping them create a recovery plan to access the help they need. Discuss what resources are available, such as mental health professionals or support groups. Empowering them to take the next steps is crucial. T stands for take care. Encourage the individual to engage in self-care practices. This could include activities they enjoy, mindfulness exercises, exercise, or simply taking time for themselves. It's also important to remember the mental health first responder needs to do some self-care. Practicing self-care ensures that you remain resilient and effective in helping others. Remember the saying, you can't pour from an empty cup. The first incident procedure is a structured approach to addressing mental health incidents. Your commitment to mental health first aid and for making a difference in someone's life.